strike on a key oil terminal on the Yemen's Red Sea coast controlled by the Houthi movement that have killed at least 74 people and wounded 171 others, the Houthi-run health ministry says. The United States military said that it has destroyed Ras Isa to eliminate the source of fuel for the Iran-backed Houthi terrorists and deprive them of the illegal revenue. Also, the Houthi-led government in the northwest Yemen said that the terminal was a civilian facility and that the strikes constituted a war crime. It was the deadliest known attack since the President Donald Trump ordered an intensification of the United States bombing campaign last month in response to the Houthi attack on the Red Sea shipping and Israel linked the Gaza war. Also, several hours later, the strikes on the Ras Isa, the Israeli military said it had intercepted a missile launched from the Yemen. Sirens sounded at several Israeli areas, but there were no reports of any casualty or damage. Houthi-run Al Masirah TV reported that 14 airstrikes hit Ras Isa late on the Thursday. Videos posted online purportedly also showed several explosions, large fires and destroyed fuel tankers at the facility, which is about 60 kilometers, that is 35 miles north of the Red Sea city of Hudada. Also, we ran away. The strikes came one after one. Then everything was on fire, one man told to the BBC. On the Thursday afternoon, Houthi Health Ministry, also the spokesperson Anis, said that the death toll had reached 74, adding that the rescue team were still searching for casualties. Al Masirah had earlier cited local health authorities as saying that many of the deaths were workers of the Al Risa. Also, they reported the 5 paramedics that were killed in the secondary US strikes as they arrived at the scene. Also, the casualty reports could not be immediately verified, but the graphic footage from the Al Masirah appeared to show at least 10 charred bodies that were burning tankers and including one of the driver's body, as well as men from treated the burning of the hospitals. Also, we affirmed that the targeting of the Ras Isa oil port is a full-fledged war crime as the port in the civilian facility and not a military one, the Houthi-run government said in a statement. We hold the United States administration fully responsible for the consequences resulting from its escalation in the Red Sea, it warned. The United States Military Central Command said in a statement that the objective of these strikes was to degrade the economic source of power of the Houthis, who continue to exploit and bring great pain upon the fellow countrymen.